Hello, Jamb 2010 Economics past question number 22 says the rising portion of the long run average cost curve of a firm is an indication that the firm is experiencing. Now, if you look at the average cost, which is the AC is defined as a cost per unit of output and or the total cost of production of a commodity incurred by an enterprise divided by the number of units of output. It is also called average total costs. Okay, ATC. The ATC is divided into average variable costs, and average fixed costs, and average fixed costs, average fixed costs. So, long run costs is a period of time in which all factors inputs in a production process are variable. The long run decisions are concerned with investments, that is changes in the productive capacity. So if you look at option A, which says increasing efficiency, option B, this economies of scale is not the indication of the rising of portion of the long run. Economies of scale is not the answer, and increasing marginal returns isn't the answer. So the correct answer is option A, increasing efficiency. Thank you, and please subscribe for more questions.